What's up, guys? It's another day. We're headed to it's my first appointment for today, probably the only one I'm filming. It's a Ford F-150. It had this this screeching noise, and I'm gonna be honest, guys, this one almost got me. Like, it was pretty hard to find. It almost sounded, when it was making the noise, like it was coming from under the truck, like around the drive shaft area. But actually it was just echoing under there, because what I did was I put it in park and just kind of raised the RPMs to around the noise where I heard the noise from, and it was making a noise when I wasn't even moving, you know, so that eliminated the drive shaft, obviously. But it also helped me to realize it was in the drive belt. So I wound up getting like a stethoscope and checking all the pulleys and stuff, and when I put it on the alternator, I realized it's actually the alternator making a noise. Now, it's intermittent now, so it doesn't do it all the time. I think last time I spoke to him to set this appointment up today, he said it wasn't even making a noise anymore. So I'm hoping I can get to make the noise this morning so I can get on camera for you guys. And then we'll wind up switching that alternator out. And I'm going to check the belt while we're there. If it needs a belt, I'll probably go pick up a belt, but we'll see when we get there. And then we're going to change the oil on it also. But I'm pulling up at the racetrack gas station right now, because I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm going to grab some coffee here first, and then we're going to head over there. Alright, got my coffee, so now we can get to work. So we already knocked out the oil change. I don't want to bore you with that. I'm going to remove this plastic piece of artwork here so we can see our alternator. I'm probably going to take this off too. So we'll see. We'll be able to tell that once I get to that point. Let me remove this first. Vacuum. Wish my vacuum didn't break. This big ratchet. Love this kind of ratchet. Just gonna take it over here. Gotta disconnect our ground cable here too, because we don't want sparks to fly. So I'm gonna jump to the time-lapse video, and I'm gonna get this alternator loose and swung out. I can unplug them, and I'm gonna unhook my power wire, which is right here. So do that now. So I gotta squeeze them past this coolant hose here. I think the best way is gonna be to bring this hose this way. So I'm gonna remove this bracket that's stopping me here, and then we should be home free. There it is. You heard that? Can you hear that? I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it sounds like a little chirping bird. Ooh. Hang on. There it is. That's it. So we got a nice brand new alternator. I haven't been wasting time with those remans lately. In fact, I'll probably never waste time with those again, because it seems like, and I don't know if this has been your experience, but it seems like every time I waste time with one of those alternators, a week later I'm getting called back out to change it again under warranty, which basically means you're doing the job for free. So I got tired of dealing with that and doing that, so now I sell you a brand new alternator with warranty, but you probably most likely won't be calling me back out a week or two later to do the same job over again. So it saves you a headache and saves me a headache, and at least I know for myself, I'd rather save myself a headache than save money. So I'd rather pay more for peace of mind. Alright, so new alternative sitting in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back together and skip back to the time-lapse video. Alright, we got our alternator back in, hooked up, belts back on. I'm just checking the alignment of the belt to all the pulleys before I started. Get a flashlight. Check my AC compressor pulley down there. That looks good. Some tension. Alternator, idle pulley. So yeah. Set my crank. Sweet. So that's all installed correctly now. Now that's installed, we're going to reconnect our battery cable and then fire it up, and I'm convinced this is a done deal. You know what? I'm going to clean this terminal off. This one looks good, but this one looks kind of cruddy, so I'm going to clean this off first before we reconnect this. This is just an added touch I do. Little battery corrosion corrosion preventative treatment. Voila. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up that one. I'm heading on to my next appointment. But that's gonna do it for this video. But anyway, I appreciate you guys watching and supporting the channel. Hit that subscribe and like button if you haven't already. And because I'm really trying to help make this channel grow. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.